Hi, everybody. Teacher Greg's back, and we're going to celebrate our mothers this week by reading a Dr. Seuss book called Are You My Mother? Here we go. A mother bird sat on her egg. The egg jumped. Oh my, the mother said, said the mother bird. My baby will be here. He'll want to eat. Come on, page. I must get something for my baby bird to eat, she said. I'll be back. So away she went. The egg jumped. It jumped and jumped and jumped. Out came the baby bird. Where is my mother? He said. He looked for her. Come on, page turn. Thank you. He looked up. He did not see her. He looked down. He did not see her. Oh, it's so hard to turn these pages. I will go and look for her, he said. So away he went. Uh-oh. Can the little bird fly yet? I don't think so. Down out of the tree he went. Down, down, down. It was a long way down. The baby bird could not fly. He could not fly, but he could walk. Now I will go and find my mother, he said. He did not know what his mother looked like. He went right by her. He did not see her. Oh, look, she's looking for a worm for him. He came to a kitten. Are you my mother? He said to the kitten. The kitten just looked and looked. It did not say anything. The kitten was not his mother, so he went on. Then he came to a hen. Are you my mother? He said to the hen. No, said the hen. The kitten was not his mother. The hen was not his mother. I have to find my mother, he said. But where? Where is she? Where could she be? Then he came to a dog. Are you my mother? He said to the dog. I am not your mother. I am a dog, said the dog. The kitten was not his mother. The hen was not his mother. The dog was not his mother. No. Oh, so the baby bird went on. Now he came to a cow. Are you my mother? He said to the cow. How could I be your mother? Said the cow. I am a cow. The kitten and the hen were not his mother. The dog and the cow were not his mother. Did he have a mother? Oh no, it will be sad. But we know he has a mother, right? It's the mother bird. I did have a mother, said the baby bird. I know I did. I have to find her. I will. I will. Now the baby bird did not walk. He ran. Then he saw a car. Could that old thing be his mother? No, it could not. The baby bird did not stop. He ran on and on. Wouldn't that be funny if a car was his mother? Now he looked way, way down. He saw a boat. There she is, said the baby bird. He called to the boat, but the boat did not stop. The boat just went on. Oh, it's so hard to turn the pages. Sorry, guys. He looked way, way up. He saw a big plane. Here I am, Mother, he called out. But the plane did not stop. The plane went on. Just then, the baby bird saw a big thing. This must be his mother. There she is, he said. There is my mother. But what is that? It's a big steam shovel. He went right up to it. Mother, mother, here I am, mother, he said to the big thing. Look, it's just blowing smoke rings. Do you think it's his mother? But the big thing just said, snort. Oh, you are not my mother, said the baby bird. You are just a snort. I have to get out of here. But the baby bird could not get away. The snort went up. It went way, way up. And up and up and up went the baby bird. But now where was the snort going? Oh, 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 what is this snort going to do to me? Get me out of here. Just then, the snort came to a stop. Boop, stop. Where am I? Said the baby bird. I want to go home. I want my mother. Then something happened. The snort put that baby bird right back in the tree. The baby bird was home. Look, the snort put him in his tree. What a nice snort. Just then, the mother bird came back to the tree. Do you know who I am? He said to her baby. Ooh, baby bird looks happy, doesn't he? Yes, I am. I know who you are, said the baby bird. You are not a kitten. You are not a hen. You are not a dog. You are not a cow. You are not a boat or a plane or a snort. You are a bird, and you are my mother. And that is the end of Are You My Mother? Happy Mother's Day, everybody. I hope you have a great week. Bye.